Hey yo, what's up y'all? It's Carlo, not Carlos, and today I'm gonna be heading into a cave. So the cave I'm gonna be exploring today is the Florida State Caverns. It's a cavern located west of Tallahassee, and so it's only an hour away from where I go to school at Florida State University. So I'm excited because it's been a while since I've explored like a cave, like a natural cave. The last time I recall exploring a cave would be Ruby Falls in Tennessee. So I'm really excited to see some stalagmites and stalactites and all that interesting stuff, and also the surrounding areas, because I heard there was like a spring and there's like a picnic area. So me and my friends were gonna do a picnic. So yeah, I'm really excited. So let's go. Right now we're getting food for the picnic, and here are some lovely people that are coming along for their rides. Roxy's eating the free soup from Publix. So, what are you guys bringing to the picnic?
This big ass bowl of fruit.
And we're gonna get cheese and bread too.
We're deciding if we should get pumpkin spice
so
cheese.
Pumpkin spice cheese.
Yeah.
Well, it is fall season, so it should be good. But I hope everyone likes the hot and spicy fried chicken. You guys like hot and spicy fried chicken? Yeah. Alrighty, so let's go. Alright, so we just arrived in the Florida State Caverns State Park in Marion, Florida, and I didn't know that we had to pay to tour the cave, so that's $10.75, and then it was $5 for parking, so it's honestly not that bad. So we have to wait an hour before our tour starts, so we're gonna just do the picnic before. So I'm excited because this place looks so nice, and like I love the colors because it really looks like fall here. So yeah. Alright, so what do y'all think about Roxy's fits? You know, with the baguette, and then the clips from China, and then look at these Nike. And then we have Caitlin over here with her Visco. What is this statue?
So here's the kimchi. I didn't bring a lot. Kimchi.
Ooh, look at the spread.
Hold on, let me prepare the salad.
Oh, the tree is so nice. Hey y'all. 223?
Yes.
Alright, time to go to the cave. Who's excited? Yay! So we're late. We're on our way to the cave. Yay! Hello. Hear your fake laugh. Alright, so we just finished that cave tour. It was really cool. I saw stalagmites and stalactites for the first time in a while, I think, since Ruby Falls. But yeah, now we're just out here. Everyone's taking pictures and like being basic as fudge. But yeah. So I hope y'all liked that video on the Florida State Caverns, and I hope you found this video really insightful. On your next visit to Florida State Caverns, make sure to
Tag Carlo.
no, make sure to tag me. Just kidding. Make sure to watch where you step. Yeah, that's the biggest thing that I had going on for me. But yeah. Don't forget to share this video, hit that notification button,
Smash that
like button, and yeah, put in the comments down below if you like this video or not. So with that being said, peace, love, and boba tea. Bye guys.